I am Squirtle. Oh yeah, baby. I like that. Megatron. Attack. Megatron. That Megatron? Here's two right here.
Yeah, I have to get. Wait, which one? The tiny one?
Yeah.
Or the one? Yeah, behind.
And you see the tooth that's coming down, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, that's the tooth.
Yeah, no. Push up.
Alright.
Yeah. You have to get both sides. Like the other side too. Try wiggling it and ripping it out.
It's like a bitch, dude. It hurts so bad. Like it's not ready to come out, but I want it out.
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
You punch you in the jaw?
You ready, team one?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Woohoo!
Is it bleeding? Here, let's see. Let's see if it's bleeding.
I hurt so bad. Yeah, let them watch, dude.